First half 5 win by 2. Hey. First half 5 win by 2. Hey. This pickaxe is so good. Look at that animation, bro. Ah! Green light. Bro, MICAH, I'm trying. Yo, let me test my pickaxe animation in peace, bro. What the hell? You don't even let me test my pickaxe animation, bro. See what happens when you don't let me test my pickaxe animation. You get full pieced. Yeah. Look at the way it comes out. Just wait. Look at the way it comes out, bro. It's so beautiful. Oh shit. Bro, what? What? Oh shit. Hey. Oh. Oh my shit. Where did you go? Where did you go? Hey, where did you go? Hey. No shit. Oh, you could have pre-pieced me there as well. Yo, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Yo, my hands feel like stiff, bro. Yo, what? Bro, what? What is happening, dude? No! I knew! I'm so ass! I'm so ass! What? I don't care. Look at this pickaxe animation, bro. It's so beautiful. Oh shit. I literally just lost height. Oh my days. Oh, look at that P control I just did, bro. Even though I lost height, yeah, I still did amazing P control. Bro, where the hell are you? Bro, what? Oh, you're down there. Oh shit. Shit. So fuck. I don't have mats for this, bro. My mats are low. I don't have mats. Shit. My days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Bro, you're so ass.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I phased in like a good little kitten. Yo, look at that big ass animation, bro. Yo, AD4 that is back. Oh shit, that piece. Oh. Yo, ping is so good, bro. No, gang. Oh, you got a nice clip. That piece. Yay! Indeed, that's obviously always going on. Ooh, hey, because if you get 3, because if you get 4 and I get 5, you still have to go up. But if I win this, I win.
If I get one more, yeah.
If I get 1 more, you have to get 2 more before like. If I win this, yeah, I win the whole thing. But if you get 2 more, yeah, I have to go to 6.
What?
Yeah, if you.
What if I win this? And then
I have to win by 2. Do you understand?
If I win this, I still lose.
Yeah, no. If you win this, you're still after. It's first to 5 though.
Yeah.
It's first to 5, but you have to win by 2. You understand?
Right.
So if say it's 5-4, yeah, I have to go up to 6. You understand? Yeah. I have to win by 2, but it's first to 5.
What?
Wow, I missed my fucking shot, bro. What the fuck? GG's. GG's. Hey. GG's. Hey. GG's. Hey. GG's. Hey. GG's. Hey. GG's. Hey. GG's. Hey.